Hello, my name is Alina.
I am Zarina.
My name is Zarema. We are from Адыгея, Майкop.
We study at the college and the tourism department.
Now we want to present you the natural attractions of our republic, the Rufabgo waterfalls.
Nomination is historical value and size of the city.
One of the most popular and picturesque natural attractions of Adыgeya are the Rufabgo waterfalls. This unique monument is located in the gorge of the Rufabgo River, one of the tributaries of the Belaya River. There are 10 waterfalls in total in the gorge of this river, but the most colorful and largest are waterfalls such as Noise, Cascade, Rufabgo Hut, Lace, Cup of Love and Maiden's Braids. Like any tourist site, the Rufabgo waterfalls have their own beautiful legend. It says that in the old days, in the valley of the Belaya River, there lived an evil giant named Rufabgo. He possessed magical powers that he used to kidnap young girls from villages. But one day a brave Adыga boy protecting his beloved was able to defeat the villain tearing out his hut. The hut of the giant Rufabgo fell into the gorge, so the formed waterfall became known as Rufabgo.